Welcome to pay attention to our Winsock brand electronic components. Model is WSD25280DN56G. This is a high-performance N-channel FET. It uses advanced DFN5X6-8 packaging technology. The batch number is 2023, and the stock is sufficient, with a quantity of 99,999. The FET is well designed with a drain-to-source voltage VDSS of 25V, capable of carrying up to 280 a drain current. At the same time, its drain source on resistance is only 0.7 ohm. At a gate source voltage of 20V, the gate charge QG is 72 NC, ensures fast switching performance. In addition, its maximum power dissipation can reach 83,000 milliwatts. Stable operation over a wide temperature range from -55 degrees C to 150 degrees C. This component is suitable for all kinds of high-demand circuit design. If you are interested in it, welcome private letter we get more detailed information.